Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Today we're standing next to this Harris 230 Cruiser. With the black accents and the white sides, make the boat look great on the water, as well as our fender holders, both on port starboard side, making docking a breeze. Step in here towards the transom of the boat. Notice your tunes, nice and stable. And this boat is powered by a Mercury 115 4-stroke engine, and you notice your nice stainless steel ski pylon pulling the kids on the tubes. Let's hop up in the boat, take a look inside. Hey guys, now that we're here in the bow of the 2024 Harris 230 Cruiser, storage just like a traditional pontoon boat on each side, port and starboard. And then now here it's recessed on each side, so whether you're storing your sun lotion or cell phones, whatever it may be, you have a nice recessed gunnel on each side to keep everything secure. Step in here towards midship. Port side, you have your popped up table, 2 cup holders, making eating snacks or whatever you may do easy on the boat. As simple as popping up, it goes back down, folds out of the way. Here at the helm, new for 24 or switching, kind of driver oriented, as well as your Simrad MFD Clarion head unit and your Mercury shift. Coming back up, notice if there's only 2 of y'all on the boat today, both y'all have a captain's chair, really comfortable, as well as our electric bimini, making it from hit a button at the helm, go up and down very easily. Step in here towards the stern, same thing here, recessed on each side of the seat, and storage under every hatch. Here's where your battery is conveniently located with your battery switch. The rest of this will be usable storage. That's about it. Guys, Ben Finley here, MarineMax Panama City Beach. Come see this 2024 Harris 230 Cruiser in person. Have a good day.